5 Laws of Wealth, the ultimate guide to growing your money. Everyone needs money, but only a few get hold of it. Even though people earn money in their life, you will come across lots of people who are always broke no matter how much they earn. On the other hand, some people constantly grow their money regardless of how low they started. Here are 5 laws of wealth to grow your money. I have taken these points from The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason, published in 1926. This book is written in an ancient way, but all of the secrets or laws are applicable today. I started reading this book a few days ago and found this small book to be more specific than the other books I had read. The first law of wealth. This postulates that you should save at least 10% of what you earn. This will create a valuable amount of wealth to invest, which will ensure the future and safety of the family in case of any misfortune. If you make this a habit, money will come gladly to you, that too in an increasing quantity. The second law of wealth. Clason has called money a willing worker, who will work for you to create more wealth. In simple words, if you invest your money wisely, you will be in profit, which means your money worked for you and created more of it. With the passing years, money multiplies itself in a surprising way. But most of the people never get to do this because they haven't really thought about the first law. They never save money to invest. The third law of wealth. The money will be attached for the protection of its owner if invested wisely with the advice of people who have real knowledge of handling the money. Since the book was published in 1926, people didn't have the internet to learn new things. They had to be dependent on other people. But with the internet, information is available for free and you can learn from many resources. The fourth law of wealth. We can count this as a continuation of third law. If you invest your money in things you don't understand, you will probably lose your money. Firstly, you must learn and gain some skills in your area of investment. Don't just take your money out because some salesman in formal attire told you to invest in something. The fifth law of wealth. This is for people who are always looking for get-rich-quick schemes. As soon as the word goes out that you are looking for investment options, scammers and tricksters start approaching you. They show you the dream of impossible returns on investments. You need to understand there's no shortcut or quick way to get rich. It's a long road. Invest wisely. I know 90% of viewers aren't going to follow these. But I strongly suggest following some of these laws in their life. This is just a small piece of knowledge from The Richest Man in Babylon. I strongly recommend reading this book.